Hi, welcome to Accordioncafe, and today we've got a heater in we're going to look at. Apparently it's glowing red, so it could be blocked up with fluff. There's a bit of fluff there come off it already, and especially if they've got pets, dog hairs and stuff get sucked into the vent underneath and they block it up. It can also be the motor running slowly, but usually it's just dust accumulating and stopping the airflow, slowing the motor down, and therefore you get the element glows red. So I've got it plugged in here. This is plugged in, so we'll just switch that on and see what happens. You can see a little bit of red glowing already in the corners. I don't know if you can see that. It's glowing a bit red there. Not much. Still, nevertheless, maybe that's what the complaint is, that it's glowing red. You see it just there. Apparently it does get worse, so we'll have a look at this. Anyway, put it on the second heat now, the hollow heat. See what happens next. Yeah, that's glowing red all right now. You can see it there. Yeah. Right. Switch it off. The switch doesn't feel too good actually. After the heater's been on, you must be careful how you handle these things, because if it's hot, if you knock it, you can break the element. So anyway, let's have a look underneath. There is a bit of fluff around the air intake, not a great amount, but okay. Now on this particular one, I'm having to use a T20 on this, which is a Torx driver, and it's also got the hollowed out centerpiece. Just check this out. Now I do have an electric screwdriver, but the battery's flat at the moment. These are a class 2 appliance, which means that there's no earth lead on these, but you can still pat test them if you want, and if you bring in a pat tester, it doesn't charge a lot really, and they'll check the plug is up to standard and the lead's okay, and that the case has not got any faults on it, tracks which maybe you can't see. Right, let's get these screws out. Yes, they are a Torx screw, and they've got the little point in the middle as well, which means your Torx driver is going to have the hollowed out centerpiece so it can fit in there. They keep devising ways to stop us looking at these things, but won't stop me. Right, so let's take the top off. Oh dear, look at this lot. Oh yes, I think somebody's got a dog. Always make sure the plug's out. I like to make sure I can see the plug. Doesn't matter how many years of experience you've got, you can always remember to always forget to pull the plug out. And well, we know what's possible, what can happen, but hopefully it won't. But it's certainly a lethal thing to forget. Oh, and the element is really clogged up. Look at that element in there. Can you see it? It's clogged up with dog hair. That is really clogged up. So anyway, let's get all this out of here. Brush all this out. So there we are, you see. And we'll get all this out of here. That's very clogged up and mucky, that is. some of these heaters can be, I mean, this is a very simple heater to take apart. Some of them are a little bit complicated, and especially the way they're building things these days with these, they've got this idea about snapping things together now, and they do it. They don't mention in the sales talk that some appliances, when they've been snapped together by the manufacturers, you just can't get inside them. And if you do, you'll probably crack the case trying to get into them. And that's very frustrating, that is. Oh, look at this. This is an induction motor. This is it's not got brushes. It's got plenty of muck on it. In between the fan blades, there's mess. Get all this out of here. Ooh, there's a lot of muck in there. Clean it up well. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to utilise my drying machine here. I bet you haven't got one of these, but it'll just help us a lot. I'm taking a long time with this, aren't I? I hope you're not getting bored. Right. Just lift the elements out, put in all the blow now. That's actually a high intensity dryer, which I use on my dogs, but it's nice and clean now. That's as clean as the day it was manufactured. So we've got to slot it back in properly, and that will probably cure the complaint, which is good. This element slots in. There's they're all different, but you know, you see the two little posts there, one there, little post there, and a little post here, and there's holes in the bottom of the elements there. They have to slot over those holes, otherwise you won't close the case on the heater when you come to put it back. There we are, right, that's that. A little grill at the front slots in into there. There's a little slot there. Now then, push the inside of the top half of the case out a bit. Okay. Right. The knob. We must put the knob on first. It slots on there like that. That's good. Then we can put the case back on. This is it's not a bad heater actually. The manufacturer of it looks pretty good. Right. So now we'll just pop our screws. Ooh, I've just missed that. Oh, I missed that bit. Look at that. Right, there we are. So put the screws back in there, and there should be another one. There's always a missing screw. There it is. Just gotta let the driver find this. Locate it in the hole. Don't clamp it down too tight, so we've got them all in there. Right, and now we'll test it. Switch it off. I've put the knob on the wrong way around. I'll take the case off and then put that the right way around. It's 180 degrees out. You understand that, and I'll take that apart and put that right in a minute, but if I do it now it'll take too long on the video. Okay, so let's turn it to the cold position first of all. That's blowing okay. Now heat 1. It's getting warm. No redness. Now heat 2. It's getting hot now, that's nice. Not overheat. It's just nice. And there's no redness at all in there. That's fine. So what I've got to do now is take this case off again, swing the knob round 180 degrees, put the case back on. So this is a Glen 2000, and yes, I know this one's been in use for at least 5 years, and with no trouble. So yeah, I like them. I like the Glen heater, and hopefully it'll last a bit longer. There we are, a little simple repair for your heat out your blower that's blowing red. It's probably packed out with dust and muck and dog hairs and stuff like that. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Bye for now.